Today we're going to make penetrating solution. Super penetrating solution. This one's based on my grandpa's old recipe. So here's the things you're going to need. You're going to need something to put it in. A solution container. Automatic transmission fluid. Acetone. Gonna need a measuring cup. Some tape and a pen is optional. And then the secret recipe from Granddad, who used to make gin for Al Capone during the Prohibition, but that's another story. So let's get to make this. We have to make a 50-50 mix is the recipe. So I already know what 50% is. So what we're going to do is take the transmission fluid, perfect. All right, now 50% acetone. All right, sorry about that. 50% acetone. Now the bad thing about this is it melts plastic, so we gotta act kind of fast. That's why it's good to put all this stuff in a metal container. You don't want to wake up the next day and have a mess on your hands. All right. And this one's for you, Grandpa. A little. There you go. It's for the auto mechanic gods out there. They secretly work on your car and help you while you're doing all the work. They're there. All right. A little shake. Now to put a sticker on it so we know what's in there. I told you guys it was super penetrant. All right, we're going to try this out later on. We got some rusty nuts and bolts to unrust, but this is the recipe you need. All right, enjoy. Go out there and get rid of rust.